So, hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Arfan Wibe Putrana, and today, I'm from Bandung, and then I'm from 9th class. After that, I want to uh, doing some my second project that is lecturing. So, before that, I want to ask you about impact of technology on education. What the example of impact of technology in education? Okay, you don't know, right? Okay, so in here, I want to explain first about the impact of technology in the education in our life. Okay, so the table of content. The first is introduction. Second is positive impacts, challenge, case examples, and then conclusion. Okay, so I want to tell you our introduction first to the impact of technology on education in this era. So, the impact of technology on education is just image if we study it without YouTube, Google, without Zoom, without ChatGPT, Braille, and others. Relying solely on printed textbooks, it will feel very different. What it is, well, now technology has become a big part of the work of education. It's true. Like in here, in this era, there is already AI like ChatGPT and then DeepSeek, and then this is very useful because, example, we when we are exam math and then we don't know how to answer this, yeah, you can ask the ChatGPT. Okay, so next to the next slide, that is the first educational change. The impact of technology in education. First is educational change. Educational change. Okay, so in the past, learning was synonymous with blackboard. Like how to say in Bahasa is pantulis or whiteboard. A teacher explaining in front of the class. Yes, and we relied slowly and then printed the text box. What the teacher write in that blackboard. But now there are so many new ways to learn. There are e-learning online, learning apps, and even virtual tutorial. So it's clear that technology is changing the way we learn. Okay, so I will explain more detail. So education has gone through many changes over time. In the past, learning was mostly centered on the teacher and textbooks, but today it is strongly influenced by technology and the needs of society. And then one of important things is change is in the way of we learn. Modern education is more interactive. Students can learn not only from the teacher but also from the videos like in YouTube and then online platform and digital application. This makes learning more active and engaging. So another change is access to education. With the internet, students can study anytime and anywhere. This gives opportunities for people in the remote areas to get the same knowledge as the those in the big cities. Education today also focus more on skill, not just theory like math or other. Students are encouraged to develop problem solving, collaboration, creativity, and the ability to use technology effectively. Because this, like problem solving, collaboration, and creativity, is very useful when we are in the, how to say, dunia kerja. They are very important skill for the future. Yes, this is very important for the future. In conclusion, educational change make learning easier, faster, and more relevant to real life. As students, we need more adapt to this change so that we can be successful in the modern world. So that the explanation about the educational change. Yeah. So the second is the benefits of technology in the education. Technology has many benefits in education. The first thing is we can learn anytime and anywhere. Like in here, I learn in the cafe. Like I want to do some projects, I can learn in anywhere because there is a laptop. That is one of the benefit of technology in education. For example, through YouTube or learning apps. Second, we have access to much wider range of learning resources, from the e-learning or ebooks to international course. Third, the technology makes learning more interactive. For example, we can use online quizzes, simulation, or gamification to make learning more engaging. Like in the gamification, like we learn in there is a curriculum in here with we learn with the games like Minecraft or Roblox. Okay. And then if for my career I will explain with my language. Okay, so the benefit of technology. Technology has become an important part of our daily life. Of course, it brings many benefits that make our activities easier and more efficient. One of the biggest benefits is in the communication. With smartphones, laptop, and computer, and the internet, of course, people can connect instantly with other around the world through message, video calls, social media. Another benefit is in education. Students can access online learning platforms, digital libraries, and interactive applications that make learning more interesting and effective. This allows education to be more flexible and available to everyone. Like in the example, we want to learn HTML or we want to become a front end developer. We can learn in Google example like in the Decoding Studio or Skillful. And also technology improve healthcare. For example, doctors use modern tools to diagnose and treat patient. And people can monitor their own health using mobile application or smart device. In addition, technology makes work and daily tasks more efficient. Machine software and artificial intelligence or AI help reduce human errors and save time. So, in the conclusion of the benefit of technology is technology brings many advantage in communication, of course, education, healthcare, and then of work. The most important thing is that we use it wisely to maximize its benefit in our life. Yeah, so we must use the technology maximize in our life and then our education because it's very useful when we are in the future. Okay, next is uh, the future of education. In the future, technology will become increasingly sophisticated. Example like AI in different of AI in 2019 and then 2025 or in this era. Okay, so in the 2019, AI cannot make the image, and then different in here in 2025 in here AI can make anything like video, after that products, image, and then in in this era AI is more how to say berkembang. Then also with virtual reality, which allows us to learn history as if we were there. Learning can even be adaptive, meaningful. The material will be tailored to each student's individual abilities. Okay, and then we move to the next point. It's the conclusion of the benefit technology in education. So, in conclusion, technology brings significant change to education. There are significant benefits such as easier access, interactive learning, and broad future opportunities. But there are also challenges such as distraction and students who are willing to use technology wisely will excel. Thank you. And then maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there is some mistakes. And then last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.